Welcome back. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to put your ebook up for sale on GumRoad. So I've got the website pulled up here. Essentially, it allows you to go from $0 to $1. Anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. So it's totally free to start. All you have to do is create an account and then click this button to access your dashboard. And as you can see here, this is my dashboard. I already have multiple products available for sale. Some of them are just video tutorials from my YouTube channel. And then I also have the ebook, as you can see right here, which is available for sale. I can click on this link and it will open up the full sales page. So here it is. It's the same ebook that I've put up on Amazon. I'm just charging a little bit less for it, only $9.97. And I've got 2 sales so far, so not very many, but at least a few. And here's the full description. Here's the full book outline, which I generated with ChatGPT. And if somebody wants to buy this, they can simply click, I want this, and then enter in their payment information and buy the ebook. Quick and easy. So in order to actually create an ebook using GumRoad, you simply click on New Product and then select ebook right here. You can give your ebook a name. Let's say, I don't know, Digital Nomad Guide or something. It doesn't really matter. And then here's the price of your product. Let's say 15 bucks. And then next you customize it. So click on Customize. And here's where you can fill out all of the information. So you can give it a URL, you can fill out the description, upload an image. Obviously, most importantly, you're going to want to upload the ebook itself, which you can just embed a file upload right here. And then here's the checkout page. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So this is one of the best ways to start selling your digital products online. I just created this one, but I don't really need it, so I'm going to delete that. And as you can see, I already have multiple online courses here. Not really getting very many sales, unfortunately, but I need to start promoting it more. But yeah, that's the best way to sell your ebook using GumRoad. Thanks for watching.